In this video, I'll show you how to create a branch in GitHub. A branch is a separate version of your repository where you can work on changes without affecting the main project. Branches are useful when you want to add a new feature, fix a bug, test an idea, or collaborate with others safely. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign in to your account. Then go to the repository where you want to create a new branch. Near the top left area of the repository file list, you will see the branch dropdown. It usually shows the current branch name, such as main or master. Click that dropdown. Next, type the name of your new branch into the search or branch name field. Use a clear and simple name that explains what the branch is for. For example, you can use add-login-page, fix-header-design, or update-readme. If the branch name does not already exist, GitHub will show an option to create the new branch. Click Create Branch. GitHub will create the branch based on the branch you are currently viewing, usually the main branch. Now you can make changes inside this new branch. You can edit files, upload new files, delete files, or update project content without changing the main branch right away. After making changes, commit them with a clear message. For example, write add login page or fix homepage layout so other people understand what was changed. When your work is ready, you can open a pull request. A pull request lets you compare your branch with the main branch, review the changes, and merge them when everything looks correct. Using branches keeps your project organized and protects your main code from unfinished or experimental changes. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.